Brim, you are 2 months old today. Tell me something. Tell me something. Or you could lay there and wiggle. You could lay there and wiggle. What do you want to say? Huh? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Are you a good baby? Are you a good baby? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are a good baby. Yeah. You want to tell the world something? What do you want to tell everybody? What do you want to tell everybody? What do you want to say? Can you make your ooh noise? Can you make your ooh noise? Mostly you want to tell the world how well you can wiggle, huh? Yeah. Yeah. You want to tell them how good you are at wiggling. Yeah. Tell us something else. Yeah, good job. Good job. You're talking. You're talking. And now you've stopped. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Well, I guess mostly we're done with ooh, huh? Mostly we're just howl. Yeah? Yeah. Good job. All right. Good job. Okay, we're gonna end.